Hey everyone, Stephen Hamby here again with Den Hog's Paintless Dent Repair here in Griffin, Georgia. Tonight in the shop we're going to be working on a 2019 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. This tank was actually shipped to us from Ohio, has a couple dents on the side. We're going to show you how we've got it mounted, how we're going to be inside here shaping and molding the metal back out using Paintless Dent Repair tonight. So I appreciate you taking the time to check this out. Let's go ahead and get started. So as mentioned before, this bike was a 2019 model. They bought it brand new, drove it home, and then it was damaged in the garage when it had less than 10 miles on it. And if that wasn't discouraging enough, when the customer was looking into repair options for the tank, he was actually told by a Harley dealership that the metal on gas tanks is too thick and cannot be repaired with Paintless Dent Repair. So what you're seeing there, that was the fuel opening on the right side of the tank. That's the only access to the right side. And this right here on the bottom of the left side of the tank is where the fuel injection plugs in. We have a bracket made for that area. This is the only access into the left side of the tank. There is no other way to get in there. So we have that bracket made so we can go up through those pre-drilled holes in the bracket and leverage off of them inside the tank to start shaping the dent back out. So we have a heat gun set up. We're showing a time lapse here of how the metal moves from the inside as we're slowly molding it back out. We've got our heat gun keeping the paint nice and warm to prevent it from cracking during the repair. And what we're doing here is we're actually knocking down the high spots and crowns around the outer edge of the dent to relieve some of the pressure in the center so that we can, safely bring the center of the dent back out without there being any fractures in the paint or anything like that. One of the questions I get a lot is in regard to what I'm doing right now, tapping down on the metal. We use different knockdowns. Some are plastic, some are polished steel. They will not scratch the paint. We do that when we knock down the tiny little highs that emerge as we're working out the dent. Right here is just a very up close view of working out the last remaining bit of the dent of the larger of the two dents. We have the big one on the side, and then we have this little one way up on the top that we're kind of fine-tuning and getting the rest of it out now. And this is the finished result. As you can tell, both of the dents are gone, 100%, no evidence they were ever there. The customer was extremely happy. Of course, he had been told this could not be done, so when we sent him the tank back, he was absolutely blown away with the results. Alright guys, this is just one more view of the tank before we wrap up here. I always like to take the light off and just kind of have a look at it in its natural lighting without any kind of backlit or PDR light on there. And that kind of gives you guys another vantage point as you view the repair, especially in a video like this. But anyway, I appreciate you watching the video. If you'd like to reach out to us about scheduling a repair, you can get in touch with us at 678-544-3004. You can shoot us an email to propdrofga@gmail.com, or you can find us at our website, dentrepairgeorgia.com. Again, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll catch you on the next one.